Here's what happens when a brand takes its most popular SUV and decides to make it even better. The 2026 Hyundai Palisade Calligraphy isn't just a refresh. This is a complete reimagining of what a family hauler can be. Let's start with what catches your eye first. The new Palisade has shed its softer lines for something bolder, more angular. There's a hint of Range Rover in that silhouette, and honestly, that's not accidental. The vertical LED running lights up front make a statement, while that wide silver D-pillar creates this floating roof effect that elevates the entire design. At 199 inches long with a wheelbase stretched by nearly 3 inches, this thing has presence. But it's not just about looking good. That longer wheelbase translates directly into more room where it matters. Under the hood sits a 3.5-liter V6, making 287 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque. It connects to an 8-speed automatic transmission. All-wheel drive is standard on the Calligraphy, using Hyundai's H-Track system with active torque distribution between front and rear axles. Max towing capacity hits 5,000 pounds when properly equipped. Fuel economy comes in at 18 city, 24 highway, and 20 combined. Now let's address the elephant in the room. This isn't a quick SUV. 0 to 60 takes about 8.8 seconds in the Calligraphy, making it one of the slower options in the segment. The transmission can be sluggish to downshift when you need power. But here's the thing, this vehicle isn't designed for stoplight drag races. It's engineered for comfortable, confident cruising. And in that mission, it absolutely excels. The steering is light and easy. The brake pedal is soft. Everything about the Palisade's dynamics says relaxed family hauler, not sporty crossover. If you need more power, Hyundai offers a hybrid version starting in November. That setup pairs a turbocharged 2.5-liter 4-cylinder with electric motors for a combined 329 horsepower and 339 pound-feet of torque. The hybrid delivers quicker acceleration and better fuel economy. It's worth considering if you rack up serious miles. And when you step inside the Calligraphy, you'll understand why people keep throwing around the word Genesis. Because this interior genuinely feels like it belongs in Hyundai's luxury brand. We're talking quilted Nappa leather that's soft to the touch, micro-suede accents, real attention to material quality that punches way above the price tag. The saddle brown interior option is particularly stunning. That curved dual 12.3-inch display setup flows beautifully into the dashboard, and there's not a hard corner in sight. Hyundai says they were inspired by mid-century modern furniture, and you can see it. This cabin feels crafted, not assembled. But here's where the Palisade truly separates itself. The feature list reads like someone at Hyundai asked what would make life genuinely easier, and then just did it. Power adjustable seats in all 3 rows. Yes, even the 3rd row. There's a control panel in the cargo area that lets you fold and slide seats with the press of a button. The 2nd row captain's chairs pivot and slide forward even with a child seat installed. And speaking of 2nd row seats, they get the Max Relax treatment with pop-up leg rests and extendable thigh cushions. The driver gets a massaging seat with 4-way lumbar and side bolster adjustment. Then there are the truly unexpected touches. A built-in front and rear dash cam system that records while driving and can activate on motion detection when parked. You can view the footage right in your heads-up display. There's a UVC sterilization compartment in the center console that kills 99.9% of germs. Not a tiny cubby either. This thing swallows the entire underarm storage bin. An in-car intercom system comes standard across the lineup, so you can actually communicate with 3rd-row passengers without shouting. Digital Key 2.0 lets you use your smartphone or smartwatch to unlock and start the vehicle. The tech setup is comprehensive without being overwhelming. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard. USB-C fast charging ports in every row. A 12-inch head-up display projects key information right in your line of sight. The surround view camera system delivers crystal clear resolution with 0 lag. Ambient lighting lets you customize the vibe. And that dual-pane panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with light while keeping noise out. Speaking of noise, Hyundai went all in on acoustics. The windshield and all side windows use acoustic glass. At highway speeds, this thing registers 67 decibels, which matches the Lincoln Navigator. A far more expensive vehicle, by the way. The ride quality is superbly comfortable. Even on the Calligraphy's 21-inch wheels, you glide over rough pavement without transmitting harshness into the cabin. This is a vehicle designed for long hauls with the family. and it delivers exactly that kind of serene, isolated driving experience. Safety tech is comprehensive and standard across the board. 10 airbags including full-length side curtains covering all 3 rows, forward collision avoidance with pedestrian detection, lane keeping and lane following assist, navigation-based smart cruise control with lane centering, blind spot collision warning, rear cross traffic avoidance, safe exit assist that prevents doors from opening into oncoming traffic, driver attention warning, and a new safe exit warning system that alerts you to approaching vehicles when you're about to open the door. Cargo space is generous, but not class-leading. You get 19 cubic feet behind the third row, 46 behind the second, and 87 with everything folded. The Toyota Grand Highlander and Volkswagen Atlas offer more room if maximum cargo capacity is your priority, but the Palisade counters with smarter space management and those power-folding seats. Now let's talk value. The Calligraphy starts at around $56,000 before options. Fully loaded, you're looking at about $58,000. Yes, Hyundai has moved up market. This isn't the budget brand it once was. But look at what you're getting. Features that are rare or simply don't exist in competitors at this price point. Massaging seats, power-adjustable third row, built-in dash cams, UV sterilization, acoustic glass throughout, Genesis-level interior materials. The feature per dollar equation still heavily favors the Palisade. The warranty remains industry-leading. 10 years or 100,000 miles on the powertrain for the original owner. 5 years, 60,000 miles bumper to bumper. That kind of coverage shows confidence. The redesigned 2026 Palisade took everything that made the first generation a runaway success and refined it. Better materials, more features, bolder styling, smarter packaging. This is what happens when a brand truly listens to what families need and delivers it without compromise. The Palisade Calligraphy isn't trying to be sporty or edgy. It's a supremely comfortable, thoughtfully equipped, genuinely luxurious 3-row SUV that costs thousands less than competitors offering far less. And in a segment full of capable options, that combination makes it stand out. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.